Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be conducting arm swatches of NYX Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the regular price, which is $35 for this palette. Right now I saw it on sale for $17.50. However, I paid $24.50 because I have a discount, because I have a cosmetology license. I purchased this product and got it back on January the 28th, which was on a Thursday. Right here I'm just showing you what you can expect the packaging to look like. And we're going to open this up and see what's going on the inside. That's just the receipt. I'm just going to toss that to the side. I'm just showing you here the two palettes that I purchased here. Right now I'm going to just focus on the Ultimate Utopia palette. Right here I'm just showing you the seal that's on it. You just scratch that off. And I'm going to show you how it opens. Right here, just take a look at the beautiful colors on the inside. There's a lot of shades here to choose from, and I think I made a really good purchase here. I'm not sure that you noticed this, but I'm going to tell you anyway. On the second row to the very right, at the very end, I broke one of the shadows. It wasn't shipped to me like this or anything, so that was my personal mistake. And to let you know what's going on this video, I'm going to be swatching these colors on unprimed skin. So you're going to get a true result from this video. And I would also like to mention there are no shade names, so I'm just going to be doing the swatches. Enjoy. Right here I'm just waving the flag to let you know that this was the shade that was broken. It's a very pretty silvery color here. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks in advance. It's right here that I made a mistake. I added the black into this purple here, so I'm just going to have to redo that over again. Okay, that's it for the NYX Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.